Patient insights is beneficial to the hearing healthcare professional because the whole point of giving people a pair of hearing aids to put out in the field and try them out is to get back information about what works and what doesn't work. The problem is there's a disconnect between what the person says and the ability to know what the hearing aid's doing. From that, you make decisions about what it is you need to change. To know how to change something or to fix something is a little bit of magic and a little bit of a shot in the dark. What we're trying to do with patient insights is collect data in the moment. You know exactly at that point in time what's going on both objectively with the hearing aid and subjectively with the person, and that is extremely useful in diagnosing the problem and coming up with a solution.
Les éléments factuels de Logitall, destinés à connaître les habitudes auditives d'un patient, associés aux observations instantanées des évaluations par le patient, indiquant la perception qu'il a de son appareillage, permettent de prendre les mesures nécessaires en toute confiance. Voilà comment cela fonctionne.
Patient Insights works through the U-Control app that allows the patient to select whether they're having a positive listening experience or a negative listening experience. Then they select the environment, and then they can give comments about what it is that they're listening to that's important to them.
Voici Dominique. C'est une nouvelle patiente qui a une vie sociale active. En tant qu'agent immobilier, son activité consiste à parler à ses clients et à les écouter décrire leurs besoins, pour les aider à trouver la maison dont ils rêvent. Mais Dominique souffrait de problèmes d'audition. Après une visite chez l'audioprothésiste, elle a choisi les aides auditives Flex Trial, paramétrées au niveau Pro. On a également installé l'appli U-Control 2.0 sur son téléphone. Voyons comment Dominique a vécu ses essais. Dominique retrouve ses différents clients plusieurs fois par jour dans son café habituel.
So tell me, how happy are you about this house?
I am so thrilled with this house. That is the one that I'm leaning towards.
Okay.
Yeah.
You plan on having family and friends over for the holidays? Then definitely.
Dominique gave us 5 ratings at different times of the day. 3 of those ratings were very positive, where she said, I can hear very clearly, I'm doing quite well. In those cases, what the hearing aid was telling us was she was in a small group situation.
Plus tard dans la semaine, elle a eu de grosses difficultés à entendre ses clients.
In those 2 cases where she gave us an unfavorable rating, the hearing aid was in a large group situation. What that tells me as a clinician is that we need to go to a listening environment in the hearing aid that is conversation in a crowd, and that's where we will make our adjustments.
Voici maintenant Klaus, programmateur informatique à la retraite. Il a choisi les aides auditives Moxie, paramétrées au niveau de technologie 600, avant de partir à la retraite car il estimait que ses besoins auditifs seraient plus faibles. Ses besoins ont en réalité augmenté. Lui et sa femme font davantage de sorties et il a retrouvé de vieux amis avec qui il rejoue de la musique. Son audioprothésiste a pu facilement augmenter temporairement la performance technologique de son appareillage au niveau 800. Ainsi, Klaus a pu évaluer et comparer le programme automatique et le programme manuel. On a également installé l'appli U-Control 2.0 sur le téléphone de Klaus afin de pouvoir mieux personnaliser ses aides auditives. Voyons comment les essais se sont déroulés pour lui.
With the patient ratings, we were able to see that for music environments, when he's practicing his guitar with his friends, that he was very happy. We did get a negative rating when he was out with his wife in a restaurant. The same restaurant that he'd been to before with his wife, and it gave positive ratings. We wanted to understand why is it that this one time he gave a negative rating.
Oh, yeah, we forgot to tell you, about 6 weeks ago, Charlotte had 7 days. He's a good guy, he's a good father.
Yeah, but AJ really...
With patient ratings, we could see that he was complaining that the sound was loud. Klaus reported that he was in the restaurant situation. The hearing aid showed that he was in the music program. While in the car, he was trying to compare between the automatic program and the music program. And then when he and his wife went into the restaurant, he ended up leaving it in that music program. That explained why he was unhappy with the sound quality in that environment. Without patient insights, there's no way I would have known for certain that he was actually in the wrong program.
Chez Unitron, nous sommes convaincus que les données recueillies en conditions réelles de vie du patient sont essentielles. Elles permettent de conseiller le patient avec plus d'assurance et d'améliorer le niveau des soins.
With patient ratings, pair it with log it all, we have a more complete picture.
That information together gives you the insight that allows you to make the changes to the hearing aid and let people go out the door with a better fitting.
Le fait d'associer les informations patients avec Flex modifie vos décisions de réglage, renforce l'engagement du patient et vous permet de vous démarquer. Découvrez comment vous pouvez bénéficier d'une vision globale de chaque cas grâce aux informations patients. C'est un concept exclusif à Unitron.